Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video, we'll show you a game between Norbert Seidel and Nehl. This awesome game was played in 1956. Norbert Seidel had white pieces and he started with d4. Nehl played d5, e4, going for the Blackmar-Diemer Gambit. D takes on e4, attacking the pawn, defending the pawn. f3, sacrificing the pawn for the development. Pawn takes pawn, knight takes on f3. Sometimes white even takes with the queen, allowing queen takes on d4. But this is a game for another time. In our game we have knight takes on f3, e6, pinning the knight, unpinning, queen to d2, intending to castle queenside. Bishop to d3 is the most played move. Queen to d2, c6, and Norbert Seidel castled queenside. Knight to d5. With less space and having a pawn up, black wants to exchange pieces. Knight takes on d5, c takes on d5, bishop to d3, knight to c6, c3 controlling b4 square, h6. Perhaps bishop takes on g5 should have been considered, and after knight takes on g5, h6. Back to our game. h6, bishop to f4, bishop to d6, knight to e5, queen to c7. There is lots of pressure on the knight on e5, and it looks like that black will win a pawn. Rook from h to f1. Knight takes on e5, d takes on e5, bishop takes pawn on e5. Black won the second pawn. White to move. What would you do in this position if you had white pieces? Norbert Seidel played the best move. Bishop to b5 check, in between move. King to f8. If bishop to d7, then bishop takes on d7 check. Black must take with the king to save the bishop on e5. And after king takes on d7, bishop takes on e5. And after queen takes on e5, rook takes pawn on f7 check, and white is better. Back to our game. After check, king to f8. Bishop takes on e5, queen takes on e5, rook from d to e1. White army is fully mobilized at the cost of 2 pawns. Would you rather have white or black pieces? What is better? 2 pawns or better development? If black manages to exchange queens, he may even win the game. So, queen to g5 was played. If queen takes queen, pawn takes queen, black is fine. So the only good move for white in this position is rook to e3, not exchanging the queens. But now, player with the black pieces was waiting for this moment. d4 with a double attack. Which piece to save? Is white in trouble? What would you do? What is the best move for white? If c takes on d4, queen takes on b5. If bishop moves, then black wins just like this. Back to our game. So in this position, queen takes pawn on d4 was played. Queen takes bishop. White to move. How will you continue now? Queen to d8 check. Queen to e8. White to move. What now? Please pause and find the best move for white in this position. Did you pause? What did you find? If white doesn't sacrifice the rook, he is losing. This is the only good move. Check. King takes rook. Rook to f3 check. King to g6. White must not allow king to go to h7 and then to g8. So, the only good move in this position is queen to d3 check, x-ring h7 square. King to g5. If king goes to h5, one line goes like this. Rook to g3, intending queen to f3 check, queen to g4 checkmate. If rook goes to f8, then queen to e2 check, and after king to h4, queen to g4 checkmate. Back to our game. After check, king to g5 was played. And now watch this zigzagging with the queen. Queen to e3 check, king to g6, queen to e4 check. White queen is ending on e5, winning the game. King to g5, queen to e5 check, king to g6. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is, what would you do? Rook to g3. Black resigned in view of this continuation. King to h7, and then white plays the obvious. Queen takes pawn on g7. What a fantastic attack. Black never developed his rooks and his light squared bishop. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.